Welcome to the future of the manufacturing industry. Introducing ZBot, the AI-powered assistant engineered to revolutionize how you manage production. Built using advanced AI and fine-tuned on industry-specific data, ZBot empowers machines to diagnose, troubleshoot, and optimize like expert engineers, giving manufacturers worldwide real-time, expert-level support. Manufacturers today face critical challenges. First, machine failures. They result in an annual loss of $864 billion across the industry, while unplanned downtime can cost companies up to $260,000 per hour. Second, suboptimal machine configuration can lead to quality issues, reducing productivity by as much as 30% and causing significant delays in production. Achieving optimal configuration is often a trial and error process, influenced by several factors requiring deep expertise, depending on the industry. Next, product quality issues alone can lead to losses ranging from $37.5 million to $300 million annually for mid-sized manufacturers. Finally, poor maintenance causes unexpected breakdowns, shortens machine lifespan, and reduces productivity by 5% to 20%. Even experienced engineers struggle with complex machines and dense manuals, leading to delays and costly part replacements when handling intricate tasks. ZBot addresses these critical pain points with a comprehensive suite of intelligent features designed to boost productivity, extend machine lifetimes, and save millions of dollars. ZBot's advanced troubleshooting assistant instantly identifies the root cause of machine failures. Leveraging sophisticated algorithms fine-tuned on machine-specific data, ZBot provides targeted step-by-step guidance to resolve mechanical faults, system errors, or process anomalies. Whether it's a critical breakdown or a minor glitch, ZBot narrows down the potential causes, guiding operators through the exact steps needed to restore full machine functionality. ZBot eliminates much of the guesswork by directly collaborating with operators, analyzing real-time performance data, and providing precise recommendations for optimal machine settings. It factors in variables such as material properties, product specifications, and machine limitations to compute initial settings and offer real-time adjustments as operations progress. ZBot's AI-assisted quality control feature allows operators to simply upload images of defective products. Using advanced image recognition technology trained on industry-specific data, ZBot instantly identifies visible defects and diagnoses the root causes, whether they stem from material properties, machine settings, or environmental factors. The system not only detects the issues, but also provides tailored, actionable solutions to correct the problem, including specific adjustments to machine parameters. ZBot simplifies these tasks by offering step-by-step text and image-based guidance for installing and maintaining equipment. The AI assistant provides detailed instructions alongside schematics, diagrams, and visual aids, ensuring that even intricate tasks like wiring, assembling, or unmounting components are performed correctly. In addition, ZBot offers multilingual support, allowing operators to access expert-level guidance in their preferred language, thereby removing language barriers and ensuring clear communication. Unlock a new level of efficiency and cost savings. ZBot minimizes downtime, reduces troubleshooting from hours to minutes, and ensures optimal machine configurations, boosting productivity by up to 30%. By improving product quality and preventing waste, ZBot helps manufacturers cut operational costs and extend machine lifespan up to 50%. With intelligent installation and maintenance support, as well as multilingual capabilities, ZBot empowers global teams to operate faster and smarter, resulting in up to 80% improved efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, and consistent production uptime. Ready to revolutionize your operations? With global access through cloud integration, ZBot becomes your trusted partner in every aspect of manufacturing. Discover how ZBot, powered by ZAD's vision, can unlock the future of manufacturing. Try ZBot now.